Will must have a really big mouth. And I don't mean that in a mean way. Let me explain. Let's start with the second part of the comment. He says you can't reuse them. Take a look at this one. This is the one I used last night. Obviously, I didn't put it back together perfectly, but we're going to see if it still sticks. Let's see what we can do here. We're going to do it in one take so you know I'm not changing them. Take it off. Put it on. Works perfectly. Back to the first part. He says it's too small. I would say I have an average sized mouth, so I'm going to put it on and we're going to see how it compares. Your mouth would have to go out this far for it to be too small.